We had someone ask in the comments, what is machine learning? I had no idea, so I had to Google it. None of it really made sense. So instead I just kind of wrote what I thought machine learning is to me. But I like to think of machine learning as another way to program a computer, where instead of telling the computer what to do, you're showing the computer what to do. You're giving it some data, and typically you're giving it, if it's supervised machine learning, you're giving it a label and trying to predict the label from the data. If it's unsupervised machine learning, you might be trying to cluster the data or identify patterns in the data. Think of it a way of programming a computer where it's much easier to show it, this is a dog, than it is to write up the instructions for what a dog is, right? Just like a child is just exposed to language and eventually learns to talk. So if you rewind the clock back 100 years when we were first developing the first computers, there was no way you could have plausibly thought of a machine that does what modern computers can do, because the ability to do machine learning was very contingent on data and compute that at the time would have been inconceivable. But the concept of teaching a computer rather than telling it what to do, I think has been apparent to people since computers were first worked out on paper by people like Babbage. And I think we're starting to see that come to fruition.